I feel like leaving household life and taking sannyas. What should I do? Do you also feel like living a life of renunciation after listening to spiritual discourses? But do you then start thinking about your family responsibilities? First, it is essential to understand what you want to renounce, your family and duties or your mind and desires. Live your life right where you are, fulfilling all your duties and chanting the name of God to give happiness to others. Do not hold attachments to anyone. Love others with a divine feeling, thinking that my Lord has come before me in this form. Strive to bring them happiness. Where will you run to after renunciation? Which cave are you thinking of running to? It is a great grace when the mind turns away from worldly prestige and material pleasures. Most people try to engage in these things. But where will you go with renunciation? What will you renounce? Where will you run? We have to live in this world. One should think that nothing belongs to me, it is all the Lord's. It is God who has given me this service. No one belongs to us in this world, and everyone belongs to us because God resides in everyone. You are a true sannyasi if you live with this attitude in your home. But you are still a householder if you are attached to your pot and loincloth after becoming a sannyasi. On the other hand, if you live with your entire family without attachment to anyone, then you are a sannyasi. Ultimately, the change must come from within. There is no need to run away from the world to practice spirituality. There is no need to run away from the world to attain God. You only need to change the purpose and conduct of your mind. Once your purpose changes, everything will naturally fall into place. If, while being a householder, you do not attach your mind to anything else and focus solely on God, your purpose has become noble. In such a case, even though you are a householder, you are a saint. Running away from home will not change anything. Where you go, Maya illusion will still exist. Therefore, there is no need to run away anywhere. What is required is a change within yourself. Leaving family is not the solution to practice spirituality. Leaving the family is not the right solution because who will fulfill those responsibilities? If you have to serve your parents or have other responsibilities, such as a wife and children, it is not appropriate to run away from home. Stay where you are, chant God's name, and attain Him. It is possible to attain God through household duties as well. Taking care of your family is your duty. There is no need to run away but to change your purpose. It is an excellent grace if one can be free from attachment to worldly desires and pleasures. It is not necessary to change your appearance wearing the dress of a saint to attain God. If there is a mistake in the guise of a saint, one may have to suffer in hell. Household life is a safe path to attaining God. If you live a household life, and no one bows before you as people do to saints, and you have no desire or wish in your heart, and you chant God's holy name, your entire spiritual practice is secure. The fruits of a saint's spiritual practice often get divided. A saint's practice may get diluted by accepting the honor of people, accepting their offerings, and engaging in prayers for others' welfare. God is what saints have because the fruits of their practice and devotion are dedicated to the world's welfare. However, if you live as a householder and your practice does not get diluted, then your entire devotion remains intact. The strange play of the mind. The mind's play is very strange. If you are a householder and your mind is directed towards God, it is the highest state. But if you take sannyas and your mind then runs towards worldly matters, that is not right. This is the strange play of Maya illusion. While living at home, it may seem like you are caught up in household duties and worldly matters, and the life of saints immersed in devotion from morning to evening may appear superior. But when you adopt the path of renunciation, memories of the comforts of household life may start haunting you. However, these memories are dangerous. It is good to remember saints while living at home, but it is not good to remember worldly life while being a saint. The essence of spirituality, the essence of devotion is constant remembrance of the Lord. It is a very high state if you are remembering God while living in the world. But if, while being near God, you start remembering the world, it is considered a very degraded life. Do not be discouraged. Keep chanting God's holy name and fulfilling your duties. Fulfilling your duties is worshipping God.